Uber is expected to make its IPO filing public tomorrow.
It's the latest giant company to add more pressure to the red-hot housing market here in the Bay Area. Night Beat's Betty Yu on what to expect.
Analysts say the impending storm of IPOs and the thousands of new millionaires it'll likely create is substantial. The San Francisco real estate market will be influenced. The question is, what will be the magnitude?
So it's on 4 levels, it's over 5,000 square feet, it's beautifully finished on this giant lot with the views and the garden.
This 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath Telegraph Hill home features sweeping views of the Bay and San Francisco landmarks from multiple levels. 233 Chestnut Street is on the market for $8.3 million. It joins an already hot market in a city where there are roughly 6,500 home sales a year.
It's actually been challenging because what I'm seeing on the market is not a lot of inventory. I think it's because sellers are waiting for an IPO frenzy to sell into.
Amir Gupta is a developer currently looking for a home for himself in the $3 million range. He says he's been outbid 3 times since December.
They're freaking out that it's only going to become more competitive, and I think nobody has a crystal ball ultimately. But what we do know is that it certainly isn't going to tank. You're going to have a few thousand people with 5 million plus in their pocket suddenly. It's only going to get more competitive.
Realtor Justin Feichelson says his clients feel an urgency to buy now, and sellers are thinking about holding onto properties to get bigger payouts.
It's a great market right now. There's more than enough buyers out there. There's a lot of competition. There's no point in waiting because there are other factors. There's interest rates could rise, the political climate could change.
He says the momentum is likely to be steady and subtle. Chief market analyst at Compass Patrick Carlisle says after peaking last spring, the housing market cooled, but the financial markets returned this year. Another factor to keep in mind, most employees have to wait 6 months after an IPO before they can sell their shares.
I don't expect the market will be as crazy competitive as it was last year. I have a tendency to think the IPO millionaire rush has been overhyped. But we'll know a lot more in another couple months.
On the Night Beat, I'm Betty Yu.
Uber reportedly plans to sell about $10 billion worth of stock. When it goes public, that would make it the biggest IPO this year. Uber is on track to start trading in early May. Meanwhile, shares of rival Lyft dropped to a new low today. That stock closed at $60.12. That is down nearly 11% on word of Uber's plans to go public.